The IGS team is currently completing a large and complex welding project for the world's largest LNG producer. The scope includes weld overlay on more than 150 pipe ends. The most challenging aspect has been the environment. Conditions on site are dusty, windy, and at times humid, requiring the crew to use previous experience to mitigate these factors and ensure flawless quality delivery. This project is part of a broader sour gas corrosion remediation program within a critical slug catcher system. The objective is to extend the life of large diameter piping exposed to highly sour service without the delays and complexity of full Inconel pipe replacement. By combining HVTS internal cladding with fully automated 150mm internal Inconel 625 weld overlay on more than 150 pipe ends, the team is delivering corrosion resistance equivalent to Inconel clad pipe, applied in situ on critical 48-inch slug catcher piping. Each completed weld overlay protects the most vulnerable joint areas, ensuring long-term integrity under high H2S exposure and safeguarding LNG production uptime.